All of us would like to store sensitive documents in a secure place. Microsoft recently introduced Personal Vault concept on OneDrive. Personal Vault allows you for some extra protection and secure storage of your most sensitive and important documents. Access to Personal Vault requires multi-factor authentication and expires after 20 minutes. Personal Vault is configured through OneDrive settings. You click on OneDrive, you click More, and then you click Unlock Personal Vault, and it requires multi-factor authentication. To trigger multi-factor authentication, you select the email associated with the account and enter the code that was sent to the email. Once unlocked, you can access Personal Vault just by clicking the folder, just like a regular folder. I put 3 sample files in that folder, and you can access them from your PC or from online storage in the cloud using the browser. The vault will automatically lock in 20 minutes, and you would have to use multi-factor authentication to access it again. But the fact that it requires multi-factor authentication provides additional security and allows you to put sensitive documents into that particular folder. If this video was helpful, make sure to click the like button in your browser. Also, please help your friends to learn this topic faster by sharing this video with them. And if you would like to be the first one to know about new videos to help you reach your goals faster, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to check out my other relevant videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel. We have a lot of great stuff planned in the pipeline, and I don't want you to miss any of it. And if you'd like to get notified about all the new stuff that are coming out, make sure to subscribe to my email list as well. All links are here on the screen. Make sure to click to stay in touch. Thanks again for watching.